Yeah, it looks good, right? It looks good. But hey, it's only depends on how you look at it. What I will say, like I always say, if you are she call it, man, I can't talk today. If you're scalping the market, then that's great. But if you're not, yeah, just keep to buying your coins on spot. That's all I would say. But hey, before anything else, please don't forget to drop a like. And then also don't forget to drop me a subscription. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. And drop a nice comment. If you don't have anything nice to say, I will just suggest, hey, drop an emoji or keep on rolling. Is that the same thing? Because hey, making somebody's day is part of this channel. It's part of the job of this channel. I don't have time for negative stuff, okay? Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of water. Yeah, today I'm drinking water from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we've been looking at market performance for the past 24 hours because I know a lot of people, because market is running a little bit. Oh, yeah. We are in. Oh, yeah. But hey, well, it is always the same trap. Zoom out, guys. But oh well, yeah, we look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check at prices in details. And once we're done with that, for those of you who are scalping the day, you can tell me if you're winning or losing. Hey, but the question is still the same. Are we buying Lambos yet? Yeah, but before that, guys, let me set this down right here. Before that, it is like I said, everybody, their grandmama right now is jumping up and down. Hey, yeah, we are running, we are doing this and this and that, and yeah, oh my God, I don't know how to say this. I don't know how to put it in a way that you will understand. Markets always do this. Markets always try to not try, they will always use you oh my God, as exit liquidity. They will always do that. It is up to you to be able to detect if it is good or it is bad. Some of us use indicators, including people's sentiments. Some of us follow the news to see what's being said. But if you watch, guys, if you watch, whatever that the price is doing does not match what it is being said by the indicators and the macroeconomy. It does not match. I don't know how else you want me to say this, but I know there's going to be a lot of people who are still thinking otherwise. And then tomorrow, when they wake up, this thing is going down again, they will start jumping the bridge. Yeah. Wee! They will start jumping and blame everybody else and their grandmama. Instead of the same, I told you, the market is not for everybody. Okay? Excuse me for a second. Yeah, sorry about that. I mean, where were we? Yeah, it is not for everybody. Because regardless of what you're doing, whether you are trading on stock, on leverage, or on just on spot, there are qualities, there are characteristics you need to have for you to be able to trade successfully. Okay, one of them is being patient. Patient is the biggest thing ever, because if you're not patient, my friend, the market moves a little up, oops, okay, time to go in. It moves a little down, oh, I'm gonna lose money, I'll close my trade. See, it's not, like I said, this does not just only apply for leverage traders. It applies even with spot traders. Like, for example, excuse me, you have Kaspa. It goes to 21 cents. Oh, that's the top. You sell. 2 days later, 40 cents. You see? It applies to everything you see. And it's the funny thing about it is like, it has happened so many times in this same market, that even when it is happening again, like it is doing right now, 99.9% of the people are still falling for it, are still doing it. And that is the funniest thing. You see people, you try to tell them, guys, zoom out. When it's a bull trend, you will see it. Yesterday, I explained one of my indicators that I use, and it's a very accurate one. Try it. Go and try it, and you will see. It's a very accurate one. It's not even that anything else is happening that has to be needing your attention. Like, for example, our good friend Trumpicius Magicius, what did he say this week? You remember, you heard his speech, right? What did he say? Go look at macroeconomy, even the one we look at every day here, the fear and greed index. Look right quick. Where is it? Fear and greed index. You see? This is the fear and greed index. You tell me if this looks bullish to you. Price is running. Fear and greed is sitting at extreme fear. Stock market, I mean, even the stock. Let's go look at the stock market right quick, okay? Look at the stock market. Fear. And yet people are getting bullish. People are celebrating. I'm telling you, this is the reason why 99.9% of the people lose a lot of money. You need to be very patient. When the market goes up, it does not go in a straight line, right? It goes up, takes a breather, goes another step, takes another breather, takes another step, so on and so forth. The same thing happens when the market drops. It does not just drop like a rock, unless somebody's rock pulling you. But well, that's a different story. That's why you need to do your research. But when the market drops, something like Bitcoin, for example, it does not drop like a rock. It drops, takes a breather, keeps on dropping. Like I told you guys yesterday, I don't believe in bear and bull markets. I don't believe so. I believe in big money making moves. Now, they will keep like they're doing right now, right? Oh yeah, let's give them a little. Let them feel like as if we are going up and up. When there's a lot of money pile up on the longs, guess what? Up, nope, down. There's still money. You can go look at the 10, almost 11 bullish indicators of the crypto market right now. Look at them on the monthly. Look at them on the weekly. What did they tell you? And you tell me if this pump mimics what those indicators are telling you. You are being lied to. There is no way on earth that a war that they were just, you read what Trump said on True Social, right? They were just at their neck last Tuesday. And you're going to tell me Saturday, okay, everybody's giving hugs and giving pats at the back. Macroeconomy is still very bearish. Very. I'm telling you, things are looking ugly, and it's you see people, a lot of people lose money because they don't know how to read these things. I told you, what I do, I try to beat the big money at their game. I try to do that because I know sooner than later they're going to sit on the table and they're going to come over there and try to give you try to tell you, yeah, it was just a hiccup, now we start to go up. Really? Okay, when you look at that, first of all, just look at the government. I don't know what's going on in your country, but look at the US, for example. Job numbers still going down. Okay, inflation is looming by the side of the corner. If you print money, you give the BRICS nation the opportunity they want, because right now Iran is still trying to move oil by using other stuff. Okay, other stuff. They try. Some rumors are saying they are using Bitcoin, which I genuinely and continually doubt, because when I look at the volume on the Bitcoin chart, it does not reflect people transacting billions and billions of dollars on it, as when oil is getting traded. I don't see that. That is just some bullshit that all these Bitcoin maxis are inventing out of the wazoo to try to lie to people again, like you who does not do your own research. Again, if you believe that, that's some bullshit. It is not. Show me the proof. That's what I want to see. Because I don't believe that it's going to be an oil deal that is going to be $100,000 and that's it. Oil deals are billions and billions in one transaction. Show it to me. That's what I want to see. So anyways, what I'm trying to tell you again in this video and today is, please watch the market. You've got to be very, very careful because these guys, they know what you want to hear. They know. Last week, oh, Trump said there is a ceasefire, and I came out here, I told you that's a lie. Remember what happened? Yeah, market tried to go up a little bit and boop, down it went. And way down we go. Oh, oh. And way down we go. Right? That's what happened. And a lot of people, again, you are looking at it right now. Oh yeah, we are using Bitcoin to trade oil. Really? Really? I wish crypto bubbles was pumping. I mean, it was open because I haven't checked it today. Let's see if they fixed it or not. But yesterday it was down. And yeah, today it's working. When you look at it, look at the day trading. Okay, we are going to look at this in a moment. And you tell me, like I said, they are lying to you. It has already started. Look at the hourly. See? It has already started. They are lying to you. And you're going to have people who doesn't know how to do a simple search. Okay? There are levels of researching. A simple Google search. Google might not give you everything, but it will give you some things that can point you in the right direction. Right? But if you do a deep dive the way I do it, because hey, I told you this is MMJ, my millionaire journey. We are not in the business of losing money, no matter what. I would rather lose entries than lose money. That's me. I don't know about you, but that's the way I trade. Therefore, when I get up in the morning or towards the day, I have notifications. What's happening in the market? What's happening in the world news? What's happening there? I keep up with it. And because I tell you, it's not something that everybody's qualified for. It's not something like that. Therefore, if you want to be rich, okay, you want generational wealth, you have to make time for those things. And that's why, as I'm making time for it, I'm very excited because today we made a significant progress on mmj.com, a very significant one. Man, I can't wait when this thing is up and running to show it to you guys. But hey, it is going to be, like I said, I am going to charge you to use MMJ signals. See, simple like that. When I will still make videos like this every day and try to tell you what projects I'm looking at, but not in details. I'm not going to tell, like positions. I will still tell you it's bullish or it's bearish, but I'm not going to tell you get in or get out. Those of you who subscribe to mmj.com or I'm going to create a MMJ Discord, server and stuff like that. If you subscribe to it, you will get it. And I'll tell you right now so that you would not say you was not warned. Okay? For the first year, I think it's going to be $20 or $30 a month or something like that so that you can use it, because I guarantee you are going to win. That's what you're going to do. And once you see the test drive, because that's me, I let you test drive it for $30 a month. Once you get that and you see that you are making money, a year after that, the prices are going to go up substantially, maybe 3 or 4 times what it is. Because I'm telling you, you are about to have a situation where you have the daily trading, and you're also going to have a situation where you have legendary trading opportunities too. On this year, or this bull run, upcoming bull run, like I said, I'm going to choose 4 coins majorly: Bitcoin, King Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine. I'm going to trade those, okay, no matter what. And then I will also have swing trades, maybe trade. If I see a breakout on another coin, I will do that. And also something very important on that Discord, mmj.com, that's what we want to call it, but we still haven't set it up yet. We are going to also have signals on stock market. This is the stock I'm buying, like day trading on stock market. This is one I'm opening, either a put or a call, things like that. If you're into the stock market, it's also going to be there. And all that bundle, crypto stock, all that bundle will be done for $30 a month. And then after a year, I'm telling you, it is going to go up. Seriously, it is. Because this time I am going to open the door for those of you who are going to be part of it to my portfolio. And then you will see. You will see what I'm talking about. Me saying it here is like telling people, hey, I have 30 Bitcoins and everybody, let me see. Okay, this time you are not going to say, let me see, because you are going to see exactly my wins, my losses, everything you are going to see. And therefore, when I tell you, hey, I have $1 million in the bank, you're going to look at my trades and be like, yep, I think he has it. Or nope, maybe he doesn't. It's going to be like that. But anyways, what we are going at that today, that is going to be, again, for those of you who want to tune out the noise, because it is so funny, really, really funny to see people lose money over something so stupid that you cannot, oh my God, you cannot make up. Let's take King Kaspa, for example, okay? On the higher time frames, yeah, it looks like maybe he's trying to make a move, but when you look at the charts, the simple indicators that we look at on this channel, I know a lot of you will argue with it, but I usually ask a question: have I been wrong? That's when you have to look at you have to look at those indicators. Okay, it is, if you're a long-term Kaspa trader, you don't care about price, just like me. I don't give a crap about price. But if you want to, I realized that I was saying it wrong the first time, all these times I was talking about it. Therefore, I started telling you the right way. Because if you're a long-term trader for Kaspa, I don't care about price, because I know this thing is going to hit $10, then $100, and it keep on climbing long term. But if you are, therefore, you on your spot account, you're supposed to keep on piling up. And that is what I do. I show it to you guys here. Every 2 weeks, you see me buying Kaspa, regardless of what price it is, I'm buying it. Okay. But if you are a leverage trader, okay, that's a different kind of animal, because leverage trader is going to react with the price. Therefore, you have to pay attention to the price. Kaspa went up to what, 4 cents or close to it a couple of days ago, or whatever it went to. I told you guys, nope, it's not time to celebrate. A lot of people say, yeah, no, you don't know what you're talking about. I say, me, the biggest Kaspa Maxian on earth, doesn't know what he's talking about when it comes to Kaspa. Okay, do you? I'll do me, and God will bless America, right? And what happened? 3.3 cents. Now you're seeing it trying to go again, and I'm telling you guys, it is it is just a normal move in the market. If we are in a falling wedge, we just touched the resistance. Now it has to go back down to touch support, and support is laying between 2.5 to 2 cents. And that is being confirmed because, like, again, I told you, Bitcoin, even if you go to $89,000, it is still bearish, even if it goes there. Now, if you're scalping, that's good for you, because, hey, you run that up there and you can also run it down. The same with Kaspa. If you're scalping, you will know it went to 4 cents, you run it up there, and now it's going to come back down to that 2.5 or even 2 cents. And when it takes from there, I think that is going to be the absolute bottom for Kaspa, because I've been saying it for months now. Guys, 2026, the only one that will be running is going to be King Kaspa, because, again, the upgrades that are coming, okay, all these things that they're about to implement on Kaspa are also going to serve to prove to you guys, just like I've been saying, Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. It's going to prove it. And you get people who are just like, they look at me and whatever, until that day comes. When that day comes, you will figure out that khaki is not leather. And what right now, it is so funny. Bitcoin was pumping in the morning. I got so many calls. Yeah, we 73,000 with this and that. And I said, wait for it. That's what I said. Wait for it. It's not time to go and pop out the champagne yet. No, it's not. Because macroeconomy is looking ugly. Very, very ugly. For those of you who know how to research things, you know that inflation is coming. inflation is coming, whether you like it or not. And if things are not done right, this is not just inflation in the US, the entire world. It is a reset that is happening right now. And like I explained here time after time, when there is this kind of reset in this magnitude, watch in between the lines, okay? That is when that generational wealth opportunity usually happen. I've told you, King Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, cash. That cash, you are about to need it. You are about to. Because right now, Trumpicius is doing, talking here, Iranius is doing the other one there, and the world that needs the oil is getting pissed off slowly at Iranius because they can't get pissed off at Trumpicius. They're getting pissed off at, because Trumpicius has been telling Iranius, do not block that strait. And Iranius wants to go hold the entire world hostage, which we know that will not end good. Okay? And when that happens, yep. Yeah, that's what will happen next. Therefore, yeah, you want to be bullish, that's fine. But you better watch out, because when this happens, a lot of people are going to be jumping the San Francisco Bridge. And again, like I said, in this my channel, MMJ will never co-sign losing money. Nope, that is not here. We'll never do that. So anybody telling you market is bullish, oh, we're about to go to the moon, to the nebula, wherever we're going, I don't know about you, but you need to do your own research and find out. You need to do your own research. Now is the time to accumulate your spot. Trust me, spot market right now, you're supposed to buy your coins, because if you don't, it's going to be very late. I told you, just like I was hammering last year. You remember? I was hammering July, August for the entire market. But this time, I'm telling you, pay attention to Kaspa. Not the entire market. Pay attention to Kaspa. April, May. Pay attention to Kaspa, because the charts are pointing something very, very ooh la la. The charts are saying ooh la la. It's not your time, but it's coming. Watch April, May. The rest of the market, we are going to see how things play out when it comes to our good friend Trumpicius, Margex, throwing stones over there. And also because last time I checked this morning, our good cousin Zelenskisius is busy putting his foot 6 inches deep into Putinicius' butt as we speak right now. They are kicking their ass. I think they just launched a serious offensive. So things are clearing out. Okay, it's gonna be better, but it's not time yet. I think this thing it still has probably because as soon as they're done solving the problem with the stones, now they have to solve the problem of the whole world's economy. They have to solve that. The economy is not working, jobs falling. Those of you in Europe, look at how things are going. Those of you in Asia, look at how it is going. It is not just the US. I think they're probably going to have a world forum where the entire world presidents and leaders are going to sit to try to figure out, okay, what do we do? That's what I suspect will happen. And before that, it's going to keep dumping. That's what it's going to keep on doing. Now, in the meantime, if they stop throwing stones, okay, the US dollar is even going to get more strength, more and more strength. Because again, people are telling you, yeah, oil prices will come down. This not. Listen, even if oil prices come down, to try to replenish what they have lost because of this stone throwing, people are going to buy too much oil. And guys, demand equals to supply, right? The more demand it is there, the higher those oil prices are going to keep staying for a little while. You are going to see. Okay, so you want to look at the market and think it is bullish, that's up to you. I am telling you, be careful or else you are going to be jumping those bridges. It's that simple. Anyways, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Now that our good friend Crypto Bubble is working, and it has already started. Yeah. It has already started, right? So if you want to look at it that way, we're going to start first with King Kaspa, KAS, what do we have going on here? For the past hour, we do have 0.4% down, 1.3% down on the day, 5.4% up on the week, 6.7% up on the month, and 56.4% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $898.39 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $21.15 million. Okay, again, look at it, it is still bearish. Anyways, we go look at Quant, QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. We do have here 0.3% up in the last hour, 1.1% down on the day, 4.8% up on the week, 20.3% up on the month, and 17.7% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.13 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $9.56 million. Now we go look at Cubic, high risk, high reward. What do we have? We do have laying flat the last hour, 3.6% down on the day, 15.6% down on the week, 11.8% down on the month, and 26.6% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $108.17 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.25 million. Now we look at Jasmy, JAS, the Japanese Bitcoin, and we do have 0.1% down in the last hour, 0.4% down on the day, 1.3% up on the week, 9% down on the month, and 59.1% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $264.09 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $7.87 million. Now we go look at Jonathan's pet turtle, which he calls Bitcoin, and I call the orange guy. For the past hour, 0.1% down, 0.2% up on the day, 8.5% up on the week, 1.9% up on the month, and 12.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.46 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $23.78 billion. You see what I'm telling you? These guys are lying. They are lying to you. Oil trading is not $23 billion. That is a lie. Go look at the oil trading volume on any kind of stockbroker that you have, Robinhood or whatever. Go look at the 24 hours oil traded. It's not 20. Well, it is up to you. Now let's go right quick. Let's go look at prices in detail. So let's see what we got going on in that camp. As you can see, yeah, we like the correlation. Nope, no, we don't. Because Dixie and Bitcoin, they are in the same direction. And I keep telling you, when you see things like this, it's manipulation. So you better be careful. Okay? Now, we look at prices on King Kaspa first. I told you yesterday, you better be careful, right? What happened? We saw it again. Oh, come on. We saw it again. Went up there. Look, down. It's coming, right? Just like I told you yesterday. And you have a sell signal on the hourly already. So because when you zoom out, you see you do have a sell signal right there. Just like I was telling you yesterday, look at MACD. It has turned white, now red. This price action is going to continue. So things are playing out like I told you. So whoever that is seeing bullish signal, I don't know where they're seeing them, it's not time yet. Now look at it on the 4 hourly. What do we have? The same thing. See, we have a sell signal. We do have MACD turn bearish, and now you are looking at the ribbon has started to do that. So again, nothing has changed. It's still the same. Okay, we are not going to pump yet. You better be careful. Okay, if you look at it on the daily, what do you see? The same thing, because the lower time frames, they have already started. See, MACD has gone from green to white. Ribbon, instead of going up, it has started showing sign of weakness. Therefore, you look at this, it's going to go moving average pointing downwards. So well, maybe it's me, but yeah, yep, you can do you, I would do me. I'm not your financial advisor anyways. So anyways, that's why I keep telling you, for me, when I look at it, anything under 10 cents is nothing but noise. Okay, above that is 15 cents. Before you know it, it's 18, and then all-time high, and then we'll be in price discovery. We are in a falling wedge. Look at it. We just touched the resistance. Now we are coming back down to touch support, and then going to try again to try to go up. We are in a falling wedge. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at QNT right quick. We do have, let's see, quant QNT right there. Just like I said yesterday, the same thing. Right now it is playing out. We have a sell signal and we have price has also started to come down. We do have the same thing. And then you look at MACD, it's turning into bearish too. So there's no two ways. There's no more. I don't even need to waste time on this thing. If you look at it on the 4-hourly, you do have the same situation, right? Sell signal, okay? Look at it right there. Sell signal, price are starting to show the sign, and you do have MACD being bearish. The same thing, right? That's why, oh my God, people. Oh, Jesus Christ. You look at it on the daily, what do you have? The same thing. See? MACD, green to white. It has started to turn bearish because the 4 hours has to confirm. I mean, the 1 hour confirms first, the 4 hour does, then the daily will. I'm telling you, it is not time yet. If you try to play this, you are going to lose your money. It's that simple, okay? And that's why I look at it and I just go like, yeah, you have to pay attention, guys. Anything under $125 is nothing but noise. Above that is 151. Before you know it, 164, then 176. As time goes by, we will see 230, and it will lead us to all-time high, and then price discovery. So you have to really watch out. The narrative that these guys are selling you, they are not the right ones. Okay, they are not. They just want to say what you want to hear. But anyways, now since I don't have positions open and today is the weekend, there is no need to look at my son's Acorns account because they don't trade 24/7. The only thing I can tell you is this. Down below, I do have the links: Bydfi, Phemex, Margex, and Wix exchange. Follow those lines, follow those links, sign up, okay, and meet their deposit requirements. When you do, they are going to give you free money. Please pay attention. You get free money, get your initial deposit out, put it back in your bank account or under your mattress, wherever you took it from, and just leave the free money, okay? Then take $20 out and start practicing. If you can turn 20 into 40, 40 into 80, 80 into $100, so on and so forth, then you're ready. If you still cannot do it, keep on practicing with the free money, not your own money, okay? With the free money, okay? Or just leave it alone. Go stick to buying on spot, okay? You're still gonna make money anyways. Also below there, I do have the links to Acorns, okay? The one I'm using to teach my son how to trade the stock market and ETFs. Follow that link. You don't have to meet the deposit requirements. All you have to do is follow the link and sign up. If we have 5 or 6 people sign up using the link, we will get a prize. We get a prize. I will split it into 2. Half of it will be a giveaway, and the other half I will use for myself, okay? So yeah, follow the link and let's do that. So anyway, since I don't have positions to look at, and today is the weekend, there's no point of looking at my son's account. All I have to say now is thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to drop me a nice comment. If you don't have anything nice to say, drop me an emoji. Or also, don't forget to drop me a like. Also, don't forget to share so that other millionaire minders attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Until I see you in my next one, my friends, please be careful out there because people are selling you fake narratives, okay? And don't go losing your money, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you. Take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.